Daniel Wood, I'm the Senior Zero Harm Advisor here at site. So here today at site we have JTA in attendance to do some hearing tests, which is a part of our compliance requirements for monitoring our people's health in relation to potential noise exposure. Having a mobile unit at site is very handy in regards to minimising potential delays to the operations. It's handy for our staff who can just walk out and get the hearing test done and not have to drive anywhere to go and get it done either. I think as a company it's important that you do partner with the right people to ensure that you do meet your compliance requirements. In the end of the day, not only does it look after your compliance, it also looks after your people. Our hearing tests that we're getting done are essentially based on the results of our exposure monitoring for noise levels, which again are also completed by JTA. I've had nothing but positive things to say regarding JTA people. They've always been very helpful, be that in the provision of reports, timeliness of responses and flexibility in working to our operational timelines. Health and safety is very important for us here at site. It is at the forefront of what we do and it is built into the decision-making process we have. And again, not just from the compliance perspective, but by looking after our people.
So my name is Duan, I'm working for JTA. I'm here at down the road in Pakenham to do the audiometric test today, or hearing test. So during the audiometric test, we will ask the employee for their hearing history and whether they use the hearing protection at work, and after that they will get sent into the soundproof booth and we will place the headset onto their head, ask them to press the button every time they hear the tone, and after that I'll just figuring out what's the lowest volume that I can hear, and then after that we'll prepare the report and we'll send it back to the client. We will be travelling across different states as well, and with the mobile unit the client don't always have to fly to, let's say, Melbourne to do the hearing test, but we can actually go into their sites or even construction sites, factory, to do the test for them. So JTA is known for Detect Protect. So beside the audiometric test, we also do the occupational noise assessment. That is where we go into the factory or the site and measuring the noise level in where the employee work, just to figuring out which department or which role exposed to noise the most.